Welcome back. We are finishing out our day here. I have done the posts on this side. We marked out the rest of it, flags for that side for me to go ready to next week. Come back and put this in. And this whole one side, it will be 236 feet. I don't remember what we said this side was. I'll have to come back with that. Anyways, this is a little bit what we've gotten done. We got a semi across the front, semi marked. That's 50, 100, 100 and something feet across. So, because it's not, there's not a 300. Oh, I'm so tired. Anyways, this is what we're at. I'm going to be stopping and then heading over and showing you the, let's see the beautiful sunset. I'm going to show you the weight. That's what I said I'd do at the end of the day. Show you the weight of the T-post driver. Alright, here's a scale. I'm going to put the T-post driver on there and put the camera right there on it. See, it's 39, I think it's 39 pounds. It may seem heavier after all day using it, but that's all that thing weighs, is 39 pounds. However, I'm tired. And I did hit myself in the head with it yesterday. Got myself a red mark. So, if you like what you see, hit the notification bell. I post when I can. It's not all the time. So, for you to be able to see it and keep it up with it. You have a great day. Bye.